Hey there. I got some weird stuff to ship today. I'll tell you what sold, what it sold for, and then you can watch me package it up. Let's go! Well, I'm pretty darn happy that 4 of the 7 things that I'm shipping today are clothes and plush. Woohoo! So, let's start with the clothes. So, I'm actually a little sad this sold. I was trying to justify keeping it for myself, but I'm not cranky. Look, it says cranky. I'm not cranky. Okay, I can let this one go. No, seriously. This was a bins purchase, and it sold for $11.99 on an offer to Watcher. I think I had it listed for $19.99, and I might have only had it for I had it for $14.99. It was listed for $14.99. I sent an offer for $11.99, and it got taken. So, away she goes. Into the poly bag. Maybe. Come on. I'm a little brain dead today. I just got back from a lovely weekend in San Diego. And I will tell you, I did not have to put the store on vacation, as I left on Friday mid-morning. So I did my shipping on Friday, got it out, and came back today, Monday. But you're seeing this on Tuesday. But I'm filming this on Monday, and I'm getting my shipping done. So I got the weekend, and nothing got behind. Except my brain. My brain got behind. All right. See at that. One down already. This is a Fox Racing t-shirt, also picked up at the bins. Let me remember where my camera is here. And this has been listed for a while. I don't list a lot of clothing, and that's why my clothing doesn't move very fast, because eBay's not seeing that I'm a clothing seller, and that's one of the things about having a niche that helps you sell more. Like category items beget like category items. That is an algorithm rule of thumb. So clothing it doesn't sell very fast because I don't list it very often. And I don't have very much of it listed. So, but it's nice to have a sale. This is, it was on sale for half price at $7.49, and out the door it goes. I am okay with that, because it only requires slipping into a poly bag and getting it out the door. So it's all good. All right, 2 down. Then I have a couple of plush, and my plush store is super neglected, so I'm lucky to have any sales in there. But these again, oops, now I got these from a wholesaler, and they have the wholesale price still on the little price tag, so I want to make sure I take that off before it goes to its new home. Yes, thank you. There we go. This is a nice little soft toucan. And it's brand spanking new, as you can see. He sold again for an offer to Watcher for $11.99. It was listed at $14.99. Sold. I got to figure out where my camera is today. $14.99, and I sent an offer to Watcher for $11.99, and he sold. So into a baggie you go. Make your little trip, Mr. Toucan. It's amazing how plush sells, you guys. I gotta tell you. I love it. I love selling plush. Okay, this is our toucan. And this is the Batmobile, which also sold on... No, this just sold. $19.99, this just sold. Actually, nope, this was an offer to Watcher. He was listed at $29.99. and I brought them down to $19.99. It's 20 bucks for a plush that's going to go right into a bag and out the door. A little bit bigger bag on this one, but a bag nonetheless. And boom, and boom. Notice I'm only using one strip now. I got called out on using both strips, but it just messes with my OCD to no end not to use that second strip, I gotta tell you. All right, so Batman's done. Now we're down to this kind of stuff. So you might remember this if you watch my live haul shows or you watch the Thrift with me. You might have seen me pick this up. It is a little wood box that was made in El Salvador. And what I didn't know when I bought it was that it specifically said Stephanie on it. So that is the reason that I took an offer of $16, and I'm looking at my notes, $16.40. Now the reason they made that offer, because with the shipping they were being shown, it rounded it to like $35 for them. No, 30, which still seems really high. I have to check that. But that's what they were saying. So they paid $30 in essence for this. I got $16.40 of that. And the cool thing is the girl told me her name was Stephanie and her husband's from El Salvador. So that, I gotta take the offer. Gotta take the offer. How can you turn down a story like that? Plus, finding another Stephanie might be a little difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the lid in a separate little piece of bubble wrap. And I'm going to invert it so that piece stays safe, like I always do. And then I'll wrap that whole thing like so. Boom. Wrap our sides like a nice little Christmas present. Boom. Boom. All right, there we go. And this is fairly close to a first class item. So I'm going to put it in a plain box just in case I end up going first class with it, because this box can go either way. Just putting a piece of tape to hold that. Now what I need to do is get my peanuts. Be right back. Okay, I got my first little layer of peanuts. Going to settle the box right down there in the middle. Lots of room all around it, and I'm going to finish filling it up. All right, all filled up. And let's close it up. Smushing the peanuts down. Both ways with the tape, just because that's how I fly. There we go. Boom. Stephanie's little trinket box is on its way. Okay, I got two here. This clock, again, I have had this listed a very long time. I got an offer of $12, which kind of killed me, but I've had it forever. Can't go broke making a profit. Boom, gone. And it's fairly easy to ship. So first we need our bubble wrap to go around like so. Ooh, and I'm excited. I'm placing an order for the 24-inch wide bubble wrap this week. It should be here in a couple days. And I don't know that I grabbed enough to do this, but I'm trying to cover up those little sides. Yeah, good enough. Good enough. Boom. And boom. Now, the box that this will fit in the best is one of the, this is the 1095s. 1095 priority mailbox. Let's see if I can. I never can get the whole thing. Kills me. Oh my goodness, I am just slopping it tonight. Ah! I never rely on that sealing anyway, but I still want it to be straight, okay? So this is going to go down. Oops, it's catching on the bubble wrap sides here. I don't want it to do that. I want that all to stay on where I put it. There we go. And it's like almost like it was made for it. So that's how that's shipping. Take that end off. Ah! The adhesive is fighting with me. There we go. That's better. That's better. Okay. And now I will just tape that all the way around this way. Boom, diddy boom, diddy boom, diddy boom. Diddy boom. Voila. All right. One more to go. Now this, I wrestled with whether to take this offer or not. This is a Dietz lantern. It's a railroad lantern. And I could not find this particular model, the comps. There's comps all over the place depending on which one it is. I mean, I almost wanted to keep it because it's just so super cool and very farmy and all of that. But I didn't. I sold it, and it sold for, we went back and forth, and they came back and offered $32, and I said, okay. So there we go. It went out the door for $32. So we are going to wrap it up really good with a small bubble first. Like so. Tape these sides up. It's one of those kind of awkward things to ship, but not terribly difficult. Then I'm going to use the Big Bubble. I almost never use Big Bubble by itself. I always put the small bubble underneath and then use the Big Bubble as the final cushioning layer. Because the Big Bubble has some gaps where the item could actually still break. One problem is this Big Bubble is a little bulky to fasten up the ends. All right, there we go. Now, I have a box picked out for this. This box is, I don't know what size this box is, but we're on the verge of being oversized. So this one might end up going FedEx, but you can see it's going to fit in here pretty cozy now that I put that Big Bubble. So what I want to do is put my layer of peanuts on the bottom first and then put that in. So be right back. Actually, I'm going to pour them from up here. And some of you told me you like to see the peanuts pour. So there you go. Pouring peanuts. Now it's a little hard to see with the bucket, but I'm right-handed, so I don't think that I can go the other way. Now this looks really snug on these ends, but keep in mind, I've got that big, thick bubble wrap is kind of cushioning that. Okay, so now let me pour in the rest of the peanuts. And I will try to do it so you can see the peanuts pour as I have been told you enjoy. Okay. Let me squish those down and around. I'm even fitting some in that corner. And I'm going to fit some down in this corner even. Make sure they get down in there really good. Let's see how this closes. Yep, I gotta squish it down. It's snug as a bug. All right, now we're gonna tape it up if my tape gun will cooperate. Boom. Come on. There we go. Remember, I like to do the tape to tape thing. And I'm going to go round down this way as well. Tape to tape assures that the tape is not going to come undone. And then I will put a little bit of extra leaven on it, top and bottom. And there we go. Yeah, see how that tape wants to come up, but it's okay because I got plenty of other tape, so. That's it. Our shipping is done. That was 7 items. Boom! It's on its way out the door. And yeah, it's only what? It's only 94 in here. Piece of cake. We had a little rain this morning though, so it's really humid. So with that, go be profitable and make it fun. I'm going back to the air conditioning. You have a great week. See you on the next one.